Cells of the immune system. In any immunological response, the immunological cells play a vital role. So, to understand how an immune system works, we need to learn what are the cells present in it and how their function is and how they are working in immune system. So, let us discuss today the cells of the immune system. So we categorized three types of cells in the immunity system based on their role, their function. The first one, lymphocytes, which are the chief majority cells of the immune system, and the second one, phagocytes, and third one, auxiliary cells. So in entire immune system, the immunological responses created by the lymphocytes. So, and phagocytes support the immunity system by taking the pathogen, by digesting it, ingesting the pathogens. So phagocytes are there, and to support the lymphocyte to recognize antigens, and to support the phagocytes, so auxiliary cells also there. So let us go through each and every terminology. First one, lymphocytes. So lymphocytes are three types: B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, and large granular lymphocytes. There are three types of lymphocytes can be found in our immune system. B lymphocytes. So B lymphocytes, they produce at bone marrow. The term of B comes by the bursa fabricius present in the birds. So the letter B cells comes by the organ bursa fabricius, where in birds B cells are produced in bursa fabricius. So B cells produced at bone marrow in human, so whose main role is production of antibodies. So antibodies are very important proteins which react with antigen, so that antigen antibody complex will form. Later this antigen antibody will get rid. So antibodies are produced from the B cells, and later T cells. T cells produced from thymus gland, so that the letter T comes from the thymus gland. T cells produced from thymus gland. So it is divided into two types: TH cells, which we call as CD4 cells also, and TC cells are called as CD8. So TH cells, T helper cells, H stands for helper cells. Actually, to produce B cells antibodies are produced from B cells, but there is a support of TH cells. TH cells release a special proteins known as interleukins. Until and unless interleukins does not release on B cells cannot produce the antibodies, specific antibodies against the antigen. So TH cells differentiate the B cells into memory cells and effector cells. Effector cells produce the antibodies. So remember, helper cell, T helper cells help or release the interleukins on the B cell to differentiate, so on antibodies will produce. So antibodies, by the production of antibodies, the immune response is created. Such immunity is known as humoral mediated immunity. Humoral mediated immunity. So B cells play a vital role to produce antibodies. To produce antibodies by B cells, TH cells must. So these two participate in humoral mediated immunity. Let us say TC cells, cytotoxic. So cytotoxic is what? So these cells, without releasing any antibody, directly they kill the infected cell. If any cell in our body infected by the bacteria or virus, that will be destroyed by the TC cell. But TC cell, to differentiate, there is a need of interleukin from the TH cell. TH cell, when release interleukin on TC, so the TC cell will be differentiated into memory cell and effector cell. Once it becomes into effector cell, it destroy the affected cell or infected host cell. So it is also to perform its activity. It requires TH also. So it is participating in cell mediated immunity. It is participating in humoral mediated immunity, but it is supporting for both, so that TH cell act or functions in both humoral mediated and cell mediated by supporting B cells humoral mediated, by supporting TC cell in cell mediated. So this is regarding T cells. Later, large granular lymphocytes. So lymphocytes, B cells, T cells are lymphocytes only, but the granules are more. If the granules are more large in size, then they are said to be large granular lymphocytes, especially natural killer cells. So apart from B and T, there are another lymphocytes also there, in which granules are larger in size, so that large granular lymphocytes, especially natural killer cells. This is regarding lymphocytes. Next phagocytes. So the cells which ingest the pathogen, called as phagocytes. So there are again two types: mononuclear phagocytes, polymorphonuclear phagocytes. You can write here P. Polymorphonuclear phagocytes, mononuclear phagocytes. All the monocytes comes under MNP, mononuclear phagocytes. So monocytes nucleus shape is kidney or bean shape. So they modify into other cells. So diapedesis, remember, the blood cells can come out from the capillaries. The process is known as diapedesis. So by the diapedesis, monocytes can reach different tissues. If it reaches connective tissue, it becomes into histiocytes. Histiocytes are the modified monocytes only. So when monocyte enters into connective tissue, if monocyte enters into liver, it becomes into Kupffer cells. If monocyte enters into brain, microglia. If monocytes enters into synovial joint, synovial cells. If monocytes enters into bone, osteoclasts. So histiocytes, Kupffer cells, microglia, synovial cells, osteoclasts, or the modified monocytes, whose main function is phagocytism. And then polymorphonuclear phagocytes, in which neutrophils, which are policemen of the body, and eosinophils, which too comes under polymorphonuclear phagocytes, whose function also like monocytes only. And then finally auxiliary cells. Auxiliary cells support the lymphocytes by giving the antigen to the B cells. Antigen presenting cells. Antigen presenting cell gives B cell, TH cell to release the interleukin. Remember. So altered cell ASC support the TC cell to differentiate, so that they supporting here. Auxiliary is nothing but supporting or helper cells supporting. Mast cells, basophils, platelets, they help in the inflammatory action. So whenever a pathogen enters, so our tissue will be become inflammatory, so that the pathogen or the toxin or the chemical nature will be cleared. So that is regarding auxiliary cell. Mast cells, basophils, platelets comes under auxiliary cells, and altered cell antigen presenting cells, which support the lymphocytes directly. So this is regarding cells of immune system. Thank you.